Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW M8. To begin, ensure your car is in the right setup. First, completely disable traction control to allow the wheels to spin freely. Next, select Sport Plus mode for the most responsive throttle and steering. Always find a large, safe, and open area, free from any obstacles or other vehicles, before attempting any drifts. This preparation is crucial for a successful and safe experience. Now, let's initiate the drift. Approach your chosen corner at a speed that feels comfortable and controllable. As you enter the turn, give the steering wheel a sharp, decisive turn into the corner. Simultaneously, apply a quick, firm press on the throttle to intentionally break the rear wheel's traction. For a more aggressive entry, a brief pull of the handbrake can help shift weight and initiate the slide. Once the car begins to slide, the key is to sustain it smoothly. Immediately countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the direction the rear of the car is sliding. Use the throttle to control your drift angle. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Always look where you want the car to go, not at the obstacle you are trying to avoid. This balance keeps you in control. Finally, let's talk about exiting the drift smoothly. To regain control, gradually ease off the throttle. As the rear wheels start to regain traction, slowly unwind the countersteering, allowing the steering wheel to straighten as the car aligns itself. If needed, a very gentle application of the brakes can help stabilize the vehicle. The goal is a seamless transition back to normal driving, ready for your next turn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.